Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I have a big package of glitter to unbox from you. So I ordered this package from Glitter Heaven Australia. I ordered it before the holidays, but it comes from Australia, so it just got to me this morning. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this. I ordered a mystery box of glitters, which comes with 20 mystery glitters, which I've done that video before. I will leave a link to both of those. Actually, I've done 2 mystery unboxings from them. And then I've also ordered some holiday glitters. I know it's too late, but I'll have them for the next season. And then she also threw in some extra goodies, so let's get started. Okay, so I've taken everything out of the big package. And here is one of her cards. Super cute. And then here's what came in the package. So, because I can already recognize these ones. So these are the ones. No, it's this one, because it has the Christmas ones. This is the package of ones that I picked out and I wanted. And then these are the mystery glitters. So this should be 20 mystery glitters. And then I also got this container of dot glitters, which is super fun. I think I already have this one. This looks like Avalon dots. And I might have this one as well. This one looks a little familiar. And this one looks like Easter dots, so I think I might have this one too. I don't think they're labeled or anything though. I took off the packaging just so I could see. No, they're not labeled. Hopefully I can find the dot mixes on her website and I can label them myself. But a lot of fun black and white. We got some fun bright colored ones. This reminds me of like a lava lamp. Some like summery ones, and more pastel Eastery ones. And I did not purchase this. I don't know if it was like a holiday special or I spent enough money or she just threw this in there. I'm not sure, but it was a nice surprise. Who doesn't want more glitter in their life? So this is really cool. Okay, so I wanted to go through the ones that I chose out really quickly. And then we'll get on to the mystery glitters. Because these ones, I should already know what they are. This one is Dreaming of a White Christmas. And this one has some snowflakes in it. And it's all iridescent. But it has, I really wanted it for the snowflakes. Doing some like glass nails with this would be so pretty. It has the iridescent, just kind of like medium chunkies, and then the snowflakes. This one is Christmas Spirit. And this one is just a pretty pink. And this one is Christmas Spirit. And this is a nice like pink. I think I wanted this like as a pink candy cane. I think that's why I chose this one. This one is Iceland. And this one has a lot of different shapes. Heart stars. Diamonds. Just really pretty like icy blue. This one is Snow Magical. And this one has some bigger, I don't know if you can see it, they're kind of buried in there. But this one has some bigger white snowflakes. They're all buried. I saw one, I could see one right here. It has some bigger white snowflakes in it. And it's a combination of like a light icy blue with an iridescent. This one is Brandy. which I don't remember why I chose this one. I guess I just thought it was cool. It's like a mocha brown and silver mix. This one is traditional, just some nice red and green holographic glitter. I wanted that for Christmas, obviously. This one was part of her like Halloween collection, Devil's Cup. It's so pretty. It's got this like bright magenta purplish holographic, and then it's got orange stars, and then it's also got some matte black mixed in. It's gonna be so fun for Halloween. So those are the ones that I picked out. Now let's get into the mystery glitters. So here are the 20 mystery glitters, and I just want to quickly do a pan over shot of all of them. We have quite an array, and I've already glanced through all of them, and last time I did the mystery box I actually had a couple repeats. These ones are all new. I do not believe I have any repeats this time. Alright, so we'll go through some of these. I will be putting some in my jars here. However, I do not have enough jars for all of the glitter that I have here. But in case you're wondering, this is how I store my glitters as of right now. I got this set from Walmart, and it has a lid that goes over it, and then I just label the glitters myself, and they display nicely in here. If you want to see more, I have a two-part video of the glitter organization up on my channel. I'll link both of those down below as well. Okay, let's start off with Pretty Shards. And this is a fun mix. It's almost like it's like the leftover glitter chunks made into a mix. This next one is Candy Pop. This next one is Twilight Zone. This next one is Purple Gold. I also received Pink Gold, which I thought was going to be similar to the Purple Gold, but I don't see any pink pieces in here. It seems to be a little bit different, but I wonder if it's from like the same lineup. But it does have some larger iridescent ones to it. But it's like, it's the base of this one, and then this one just has the purple in it. So I'm not going to dump this one because it's similar to that one. You've already seen it. This next one is Color Pop. This next one is Hidden Gem. So here's what Hidden Gem looks like, and it's this stunning like emerald green color with holographic chunkies in it. Oh, it's so pretty. It reminds me of like Wicked. Here is Purple Gem, and I just want to take a quick second to compare this to one I had in my collection. This one is Aurora, and this looks like Aurora is like slightly lighter in a purple shade, and then Purple Gem has that black matte glitter in it. So they are a little bit different. but I can't say that you would need both of those. The other one I want to compare is a Pink Ladies. This one it's got some like stars in it, and then it's pink and silver holographic. This one is Beautiful Love. This one is a pink and purple and silver mix. So it's similar, except the Pink Ladies has a holographic to it, as well as the addition of those little stars in it. But otherwise, those are similar. This one is Pastel Stars. This next one is Sherby. This next one is Black Opal. And here's what Black Opal looks like. Again, another super stunning, like darker color. It's like a dark steel gray, and then it's got some purple shards in it, as well as some like black holographic glitter. And it's got some like blue shards to it as well. Really pretty, like dark glitter. This next one is Heart of the Ocean Remix. Okay, so I spilled this one everywhere somehow. But this is a cool, like, ocean glitter. It has silver hearts in it, and then it's this teal holographic glitter. It's really pretty. Here's what Joy looks like. This one is got silver hearts, and then it's got white, purple, and pink in it. And some of them are holographic. So this one's a fun mix. This one is Athena. So here's what Athena looks like. And it's got a matte purple, and then it has like little iridescent stars. Look, there's one right there if you could see it. And then it's like a champagne-y kind of gold. Here's what Dream Lover looks like. This is a neon pink, a lavender, and some iridescent glitters. Here is what Lady Luck looks like. Here's what Butterfly Effect looks like. So here's what Butterfly Effect looks like. And this one is all pretty much iridescent shades. We got some, a lot of them have like a purpley hue to them, and then some of them have like a greenish hue to them. And we got some star shapes, and then a lot of like little shards in it as well. Really, really sparkly. Here is Queen of the Seas. Here's what Queen of the Seas looks like, and as I was pouring it, it looked like an ocean, just like of glitter, just pouring in. It's a silver and whoops, like a ocean blue holographic, and these ones are smaller. They're not as chunky. Okay, so I have potted all my glitters that I can, and I have reorganized them. So I have 3 of these, And this whole one and this whole one is all Glitter Heaven. Half of this one up here is Glitter Boutique, and then the other half down here is Glitter Heaven. So I have lots and lots of Glitter Heaven, but let me just kind of pan you through it a little bit. And just look at all of the glittery goodness. We definitely have lots of blues, lots of pinks, lots of purples. And I'll go ahead and show you my Glitter Boutique Canada ones as well over here. But that is a lot of glitters. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoy glitter organizing / pouring videos. In case anyone's wondering, all the leftover glitter that ends up on my background, I dump it into this baggie and it's just become mixed glitter. Not sure what I'm gonna do with it yet. Maybe one of these days I'll just use it in a nail set. Let me know if that would be interesting. And then I did hold off on some of these that I either have something pretty similar to, or there was actually 2 glitters, the Pretty Shards and the Pastel Stars, that came in larger bags of glitter than all of the others. And I don't know why they're in a larger bag or what the reasoning is behind that. But I still have lots of these 2 left. And so if you guys are still watching, let me know down below, would anyone be interested, like if I did a giveaway of some of these glitters that I either have that are too similar, or, I mean, would it be weird to give away half bags of glitter? I mean, it's still like lots. Like, I filled up my little pot and I still have a good portion of the bag left. Like, there's still lots and lots of glitter. It's not like the remains of the bag, but I mean, I did use part of it. So let me know if that would be something you guys are interested in. Yes, I just have lots and lots of glitter, and there's glitter everywhere, all over my hands and face and lap and desk, and it's gonna be all over everything for a while now. But make sure you guys are subscribed for more tutorials coming up using these glitters. And then let me know if you guys had a favorite glitter mix out of the ones I've shown you today. And also let me know if there's a certain glitter mix you would like to see me do in an upcoming video. I could also take requests for that as well. Just let me know all the ideas down below. But thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!